वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ माय मास्टर बेडरूम टूर। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। You've seen this area already on my dining space tour, and right beside that is my master bedroom, and this is how it looks. I wasn't afraid to go big with my accents for the master bedroom, including bolder shades in my color scheme. My master bedroom is my favorite space in my home as I get to be myself here. I also keep a small dustbin here and my laundry bag as well, and right above that I have a wall mounted air conditioner. This is my wardrobe, and I have a video how I organize it on my channel. I'll link it down in the description box below. I have lots of space for storage as that's very important to me. On this bedside table, I have a lamp because I like to read books before I go to sleep, and I have a little artificial flower that adds a little color. This blue pashmina shawl is actually gifted to me by a dear friend of mine, so thank you. And I got the cushion covers off Amazon. My bedroom is contemporary and provides plenty of opportunities to spice up the decor with touches of personality. I bought this shelf from Amazon, and I have decorated it with artificial flower pot and candles. I got this snowman decor from a dollar store. It says Jour avant Noël, which means days before Christmas. So it has a candy cane attached to it, and you keep changing the dates for the month of December, like so. And on the 25th day, we all celebrate Christmas. These are the long functional sliding French windows that are sleek, easy to operate, and allows lot of sunlight. This is my dressing table, and you will see a video pretty soon as in how I organize it. So I have an ensuite as well, and you will be seeing a video as in how I organize it as well. And this is how the room looks at night. So with this we come to an end. If you like my video, do not forget to like, comment and share, and see you pretty soon with a new vlog. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.